Hi, this is Jose from City of Cars. Just wanted to do that walk around video for you today on that 2021 Ford F-150. So first thing we're going to do is just kind of walk around the whole body of the vehicle just to kind of give you an idea of the condition. Truck is very clean. You're not really going to find any dents or scratches. The wheels aren't scuffed up. It does come with 2 sets of keys. If I click the unlock button, you can see those deploy. Coming into the back wheel here, again, extremely clean. Does have the ability to drop down the tailgate. It does have a bed liner already built in. Also has that 120 basically 120 volt plug, which is very convenient. Go ahead and pop that back on. Obviously does have a towing package with the adapters. Doesn't look like they've ever been used, as you can still see the gel inserts. Back of cameras. Going to the passenger side now. Again, take a peek in the frame. Car is basically like new. Again, passenger rear rim. No major scuffs or scratches. You do got the Lariat badge right there. Again, very clean overall. Let's go ahead and take a peek inside the interior. We have power folding mirrors, blind spot monitoring system, automatic window controls there, 3-way memory seating, does have the power seats, adjustable pedals, automatic headlights, another button to drop down the tailgate, electronic steering column adjustment. And it does have the B&O audio system. Stepping inside the cabin here, let's go ahead and lower the fan speed a little bit. It does have a panoramic sunroof. Obviously that works if I show you it opening up here. And it goes all the way back there. Does have cooled seats as well as heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. Does have a locking rear diff. Obviously your 4-wheel drive controls. Does have a trailer brake. We put it in reverse here. Obviously big giant backup camera, and you can change the modes on that so you can see it directly. And put it back into park. Does have that newer style shift column that does retract. A couple little glove boxes here. Have another plug right in here, as well as a normal 12 volt. Does have all your modern safety equipment, as far as your adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Looking into the storage compartments here, does have a USB-C and a normal USB, and a pretty big little storage area. And you have one up front here as well, so you have another Type-C and another USB, and that does have a cover that you can kind of close back up. Overall very clean. Looking at the seats, again, all in good condition. Exact mileage is 18,736, but overall very clean. Does have little storage for your sunglasses. Does have your garage door openers, lights in the mirrors. I want to say, yep, this one comes up usually these. Yep, does have the sliding visor. Let's go ahead and take a peek inside the back seat. While stepping into the back seat area, I did notice that I have a little scuff here on the door handle. Did want to point that out to you. But opening up the rear area here, very spacious, plenty of leg room. You can fold these seats up and you have some additional storage space. As well as the rear seats being heated. Got another little 12 volt there. USB-C and USB. As well as another 115 regular plug there. It does have dome lights here as well on the side. And you do have some cup holders there, as well as some right there, so plenty of spaces for your drinks. The thing is, I believe this is a rear sliding window. Yep, there it is, and that's powered. So overall, pretty spacious back seat area. Opening up to the gas cap, it is a capless system. And last but not least, let's go ahead and pop the hood. You can see a pretty clean little engine bay there. And for the last part of it, let's just kind of sneak under here and give you another carrot shot. Again, pretty clean overall. One last kind of walk around the whole car. Or I should say truck. Very clean. Hopefully this video helps you. If there's any other questions, obviously happy to help. So just give me a call and let me know.